started. Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mabuto Mallu. Your Mabuto Mallu is in City of Toys, Chennapatnam, exactly. From Wayanad, I was traveling to Bangalore, and in between this Chennapatnam comes. This is centuries old city where they manufacture toys, wooden toys mainly. I have stopped in between in one of the shop, and I'll show you what all they have, what are the traditional toys, all the traditional toys. You can see everything over here. Without further delay, let's get started. So fam, this is the store. It's raining outside. I think like in childhood, like we have seen all those things, like children sitting in these horses. They have this small trolley. I don't know what they call this as, small chair for the children. After that, it comes for the big big people, the big chairs, all those things, hanging chairs. They have everything over here. We can see one of the guys sitting over here, and all these are years old traditional type of things. So fam, this is the entrance. If you come over here, it gives me a childhood memories. Like these are the pen which is curved like this. Different things. I don't know, like they have lot of things. I don't know what to show you. These are the tops that can be rotated in your hand. Yeah, I don't know. If you come inside, like there are different things. Small spoons they have, small things they have. They have like small toys. These all are wooden keychains. If you look at this, these are the wooden keychains what they have. And if you come inside from there, on the left hand side, there's a lot of other things. If you see like the hand bands they have, the small keychains over here, and after that these are some other keychains what they have. I'm sure like you might have seen this in your childhood, and many of you have played with such toys. So these are the small tops. It rotates. What I have liked the most is like I have seen something in my childhood days. Okay, this is the small top. Okay, this one. Yes. Yeah, this one is very good. Like I have bought this. I have kept one on the cash counter. I'm not good with this, but I'll learn. Definitely, I'll learn, and I'll put a video about this. See, yeah, this is the one. This is the one. I have taken a different one. I have kept it over there already. But this one I'm taking. I'm definitely taking.
Ajit Tata.
Ajit Tata. So guys, this is like grandfather and grandmother. Okay.
Yes.
They call it as Ajit Tata. It's amazing, cute, very cute, and still dancing over there. It's not stopped yet. This is the dancing doll. I should have kept a time lapse. It looks so amazing. And still dancing over there. There's no wind from outside even then. Hey Leah, I see you playing with some dolls. What is that?
These are Russian dolls, and it comes with 3 or 4 pieces. I'll just show you this.
Whoa, that's amazing.
We can just open this. See here, you can see one more doll inside that, and if you just open this, another one more doll inside. Yeah, it's 4 pieces. It's so pretty.
Hey, that's amazing. I didn't expect it to be like 4 pieces inside. I thought it's a single piece doll. Whoa, that's something different. Guys, the color, the texture, the way they have curved out is like pretty amazing. It's so good. This is like ladies playing music. Oh, this is like complete set. I don't know what is this instrument's called, but this is amazing.
Tabla.
Yeah, this is tabla, that I'm pretty sure. But rest of the thing I don't know in English. But it's too good. So fam, I was just passing around and I saw something interesting and I asked the owner what is it. And this is something significant. What is the name? Pattadi Gumba. And that means before starting the Navaratri festival and Navaratri time, they start the festival itself by after worshipping this doll, and it has lot of significance. Can you please zoom into this and show the audience, the guys? Just yeah, Leah is not so good with the camera, so I'm just showing it. It's dressed so good. It's amazing.
For 1 year, 2 years.
These all are the kids' toys. The small. Just rotate it. Yeah. Amazing. It looks so good. Hey, this is so good. This is so good.
It's all made in wood.
Yeah, that's the best part. It's all made in woods. Organic painting also. Painting is also like organic. So it's so very safe. Yeah, like just show me once again. It's so cute. The color, the painting, everything is so cute. And apart from that, this makes sound like 6 months. Like the kids can easily use this. Even elders, they can also play with this. Amazing toys, amazing handworks they have. This Kumkum container? Whoa! Guys, can anyone spot out what is this? Because she just told me, that's why I was able to understand. But this is Kumkum container. You can put Kumkum over here, close it. No one can easily find out what is this. And I just imagine it is a small toy. And before shooting, I just asked her what is this. That's why she told me this is Kumkum container. That's why I came to know. All amazing. Not only this, they have one more shape. They have different shapes, okay? They have a lot of shapes. And they open it like this. Whoa. If you are visiting this place, please do come here because like this is very amazing things. I'm pretty sure like you love all the things because like, it's been more than 1 hour and I'm not able to go from here. I've not even covered half part of this, but it's pretty amazing. So fam, this is a small cradle. It's very good. The coloring, the texture, what they have done is like pretty good. This one is? Rosewood. Rosewood. Oh, this is made from rosewood also. After seeing this was like separate, that's why like I asked what is this. It's amazing. Leah is liking something over there. What is that, Leah?
Pot.
It's a small pot, right?
So nice, the painting.
So amazing. If you think that pot was small, we have something smaller than that. Whoa. The small pot looks so cool. Fam, I see Leah playing with something. I don't know what is it. Let's go to her. Hey Leah, what is it?
Oh, these are the kitchen set. It has cylinder, mixie, vessels, cooker. Wow, feel like being kid again.
Hey, that's amazing. That's why you ladies always go to the kitchen side, okay? But I don't see you cooking something for me. Stop playing with this and play with the real ones. Fam, they were so generous that they bought us coffee and some biscuits. They have a lot of things over here. I don't know what to explain because like if you stop over here, they have something different. If you come to this place, they have something else, totally different items. And these are the soldiers. And these are some other dancing toys. I don't know, like even the kids, elders, everyone will love this place. This is very good. I think I'll buy this for Ryan. These are so amazing. There's a lot of things over here. So fam, if you're bringing your kids, be careful. They'll be attracted to this. They have a lot of varieties for kids. And it's so amazing. Like they'll take whole day to select what they want because they have so much collection, so much different items. Lot of things over here. And this is totally different collection. This is not for kids. This is for grown-ups. And they have chapati belan, chapati making machine, and a lot of things. I don't know how to explain because like even I'm new gen. I'm not that old type. But lot of things. They have this wall hanging. Laughing Buddha, one of my favorite. And over here they have other set elephants, the small toys for kids. The next session what I'm showing is for the ladies. Be careful, you will love these things. You have earrings over here, different type of earrings, traditional type earrings. You have comb, the wooden comb, looks amazing. And the most important, bangles. I'm not bringing Leah to this side, then she'll start picking. There's a lot of bangle collections, the wooden bangles, the long lasting ones. So amazing, colorful. So Leah is finally here. I didn't want her to be here, but she's over here and she is like trying something out. I think these are the bangles that she have selected. This is for the big hands. It's very amazing, very amazing. The design, the color is like nothing can match this. Leah have seen something. Leah, is that for you or Mijo? Oh, Leah has taken something from Mijo. Mijo is my sister. I will introduce you all to her in one of my videos. So fam, if you're liking my video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I see a lot of people not subscribing but watching my videos. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks in advance. This is something amazing which is made from rosewood. It's so beautiful. Lord Krishna, Sai Baba, Lord Ganesha. Wow, it's so beautiful. The carvings is amazing. Hats off to the craftsman. So fam, these are the gift items. You can give it to your friends, families, relatives. Too good. So fam, I am buying this one for Ryan and you can see it makes sound. This toy is amazing. Ryan will love this. What do you think, Leah? So fam, I have bought all those things. Okay, I have bought some bangles for my sister. I bought toys for me. Okay, I want to learn this. I used to do this, but now I'm not good. And I have bought something for Ryan. Okay, Ryan will really love this. I'm pretty sure. And I'll pay the bill. I'll settle everything. And if you are liking my video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. The place where I'm standing is Ganesh Toys, Channapadna, on the way to Bangalore. Or if you're going to Mysore, it's on between. I'll put this in the description and the address, everything. Consider visiting this place because you will love this. And once again, if you like my videos, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Moputo Mallu. These are the traditional type of clothes which is made from wood.